Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Nolan County in west central Texas, southwestern Fisher County in west central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Inadale, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 50 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Roby around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rotier around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Canyon, Busby, Poppy Solar, and the 84 near the Nolan Fisher County line. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for west central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Get your seatbelt.